Hello dear students, how are you all? I hope you all are fine. Did you finish your homework, all of you? Did you finish your homework? In the previous section, we have discussed about primary storage devices. Now we are going to learn about secondary storage devices. Why do you need a secondary storage device? Why do you need a secondary storage device? Normally, computer has embedded amount of main memory, embedded amount of main memory, which is a expansive and volatile, also. So, which is a main memory, RAM is a main memory, So, the storage capacity is of RAM is less, the RAM is less, but the cost is high, very high, and it's volatile. It can store all the data. We need to store data. For that, we need to another option. That is the secondary storage device. The secondary storage device provides more storage capacity, and it stores lots of data and programs permanently. Here, secondary storage device means is a permanent storage device, program permanently. Also, it is non-volatile data. Secondary storage device also called as a packed secondary storage device. Okay, packed secondary storage device. Now we are going to learn about secondary storage device available here. Now we are going to learn about secondary storage device available here. Okay, first we know what is secondary storage device. Secondary storage device means permanently. Why do you need a secondary storage device? Normally, computer has immediate amount of main memory, which is expansive and volatile. So, which is a main memory? RAM is a main memory. So, the storage capacity of RAM is less, but the cost is very high, and it's volatile. It can store all the data. We need to store data. For that we need another option, that is secondary storage device. Secondary storage device provides more storage capacity. More storage capacity. Okay, this is non-volatile data. It's called as the packed secondary storage device. Now we are going to learn about secondary storage device available here. Okay, many secondary storage device available. Okay, first take your book. That book page number is 58. A computer generally has limited amount of main memory. A computer generally has a limited amount of main memory, which is expansive and volatile to store data and programs permanently. Secondary storage devices are used. Secondary storage devices serve as supportive storage to main memory, and they are non-volatile in nature. Secondary storage is also called as a backup storage. Secondary storage also called as a backup storage. Okay. Did you understand what I am saying? Hard disk. Hard disk is the only secondary storage device which is available in all the personal computer here. So it is used to store all the data, important program of the software and data. Hard disk is magnetic disk which store data. Hard disk has the access by pair of disk. Hard disk come out single size or double size. Also, see this imagine the hard disk. Okay, you should imagine the hard disk which is used to read the data from the CD rather data come to the CPU also. Lot of data to the hard disk here stored in the computer only. Computer operating system, everything is stored in the hard disk only. When you open any software, that time that any application program will be loaded in the RAM that is executed by the processor. So this is a procedure of hard disk. Whatever you want to store permanently, everything is by default hard disk only. நம்ம கம்ப்யூட்டர் யூஸ் பண்ணும் போது என்ன சாஃப்ட்வேர் இம்போர்ட் பண்ணுறோமோ அதை எல்லாம் வந்து ஹார்ட் டிஸ்கில் ஸ்டோர் ஆகும். ஸோ நம்ம இதை வந்து ஒரு ஃபைல் க்ரியேட் பண்ணி ஃபைலை சேவ் பண்ணிக்கிடணும். பட் டிஃபால்ட்னு வரும். இட்ஸ் ஸ்டோர் இன் த ஹார்ட் டிஸ்க். இட் இஸ் த பெர்மனன்ட் ஸ்டோரேஜ் டிவைஸ். எந்த ப்ரோக்ராம் அப்ளிகேஷனை எல்லாமே ரேமில் இருக்கும் அதை மட்டும்தான் நம்ம ப்ராசஸரில் எக்ஸிக்யூட் ஆகும். நம்ம எதை ஒரு அப்ளிகேஷன் ஓப்பன் பண்ணாலும் அதை ஹார்ட் டிஸ்கில் தான் இருந்து எடுத்துக்கும். அது ரேமுக்கு லோட் ஆகும். தென் ப்ராசஸர் எக்ஸிக்யூட் பண்ணும். ஓகே லுக் அட் யுவர் புக் ஆல் ஆஃப் யூ. Hard disk is a magnetic disk on which can store data. You should mark the line. Hard disk is a magnetic disk on which you can store data. The hard disk has the stock arrangement of disks accessed by a pair of heads for each of the disks. The hard disk comes with a single or double-sided disk. Okay, single or double-sided disk. Did you understand? Compact disk. You are very familiar with the word CD. We know about CD. Yes. CD-RAM is made from the 2 unit. CD-RAM is made from the 2 unit of the plastic material. In the plastic material, it is made up of the polycarbonate. At the aluminum and coal in surface CD data as represent the data timing indentation low. Okay, we all know about CD. Nowadays we are using CD. So the CD is very familiar. Okay, the CD is well familiar. See the book. A CD or CD-ROM is made from 1.2 millimeter. You should mark that line. This is the one word. நான் சொல்கிற ஒன் வேர்ட் எல்லாமே மார்க் பண்ணுவேன். எக்ஸாமுக்கு போகும்போது இந்த ஒன் வேர்ட்லாம் பார்த்து போனால் சம்டைம்ஸ். ஓகே, your CD-ROM is made from 1.2 millimeter thick polycarbonate plastic material. A thin layer of aluminum or coal is applied to the surface. CD data is represented as tiny indentation known as bits, encoded in a split track module into the top of the polycarbonate layer. The areas between are known as LANs. A motor with the CD player rotates the disk. The capacity of an ordinary CD-ROM is 700 MB. The capacity of ordinary CD-ROM is 700 MB. This is also one word you should mark. Did you understand what is CD? What do you mean by CD? The next one is digital versatile disk. Okay, you should write digital versatile disk. That is expansion of DVD. It is similar to the CD. CD only one difference. The storage capacity is more here. DVD have more storage capacity. CD விட DVல நிறைய டேட்டா ஸ்டோர் பண்ணலாம். It is also made up of polycarbonate material. It is made up of polycarbonate material. It has many layers here. DVD is optional disc. DVD is your optional disc capable of 4.7 GB data. நம்ம சிடியில் 700 MB தான் ஸ்டோர் பண்ண முடியும். பட் டிவியில் we can store 4.7 GB of data store பண்ண. It's more than 6 times. It's more than 6 times. TV often used to store movie at a lesser quality. ஸோ நம்ம குவாலிட்டியாக இருக்க மூவிஸ் எல்லாமே டிவிடியில் ஸ்டோர் பண்ணிக்கலாம். மூவ் ஸ்பேஸ் ஆல்சோ CD or help of data read CD or help of data. Okay, DVD is similar to the CD. Only one difference: CD and DVD, we can store more DVD. It also made up of the polycarbonate material. It has many layers here. DVD is an optional disc capable of 4.7 GB data. நம்ம சிடியில் 700 MB தான் ஸ்டோர் பண்ண முடியும். பட் டிவிடியில் 4.7 GB of data ஸ்டோர் பண்ணலாம். It stored it more than 6 times. Okay, it more than 6 times. First you should write all of you what is digital versatile disk. Should write your pen, don't use Pelican. Okay, everybody should write neatly in your classwork and homework should be neat. ஏனோ தானோன்னு எழுதக்கூடாது. ஓகே, கடமைக்கு எழுதக்கூடாது. A DVD, digital versatile disk, is an optical disk. It is an optical flash memory device. So you all know about this device because nowadays we are all using this storage device. So all the data, movies, music and everything stored in flash memory is an electronic non-volatile memory. That's computer storage media that can be electrically erasable memory. Flash memory non-volatile memory device. So easily we can erase easily and recharge. The program also we are either EEPROM or EEPROM is this topic we already discussed in previous videos. Example of flash memory: pen drive, memory card, etc. Because nowadays we are using like that. Flash memory is used in a computer, personal digital assistant, digital audio player, digital cameras, mobile phone. Flash memory can access time. Okay, what is flash memory? Flash memory is an electronic and non-volatile memory storage medium that can be electrically erased and reprogrammed. They are either EEPROM or EEPROM. Examples for flash memories or pen drives, memory card, etc. Flash memory can be used in personal computers, personal digital assistant, digital audio players, digital camera and mobile phone. Flash memory offers fast access time. The time taken to read or write character in the memory is called access time. The capacity of the flash memory varies from 1 GB to 2 TB. A sample of you know very well, all of you know very well for using the pen drive. Okay, you should write. Okay, shall we go? Have you written? Have you written, all of you? Shall we go? Blu-ray disc. Blu-ray disc is a high-density optical disc similar to DVD. Blu-ray is the type of disc used for PlayStation games. For playing high-definition movies, a double-layered Blu-ray disc can store up to 50 GB of data. And 50 GB of data, you should mark, this is more than 5 times the capacity of your DVD, can above 70 times of your CD. 70 times of your CD. The format was developed to enable recording, rewriting and playback of high definition video, as well as storing large amount of data. DVD can use a red laser to read and write data, but Blu-ray uses a blue-violet laser to write, and it is called as Blu-ray. Okay. First, you should mark the line Blu-ray of disc. Blu-ray disc is high-density optional disc similar to DVD. Blu-ray is the type of disc used for PlayStation games and for playing high-definition movies. Your double-layer Blu-ray disc can store up to 50 GB of data. This is more than 5 times the capacity of your DVD and about 70 times of your CD. The format was developed to enable recording and rewriting and playback of high definition video, as well as storing large amount of data. DVD can uses a red laser to read and write data, but Blu-ray uses a blue-violet laser to write, and it is called a Blu-ray. Okay, right, all of you. Have you written? Ports and interfaces. So what are storage devices are available? Now we are going to learn about ports and interfaces. You can see or you can imagine which provide this external device to attach to the computer. The motherboard of computer has many I/O what is the circuits that are connected they are connected to the port and interface found of the layer side of the computer. So நம்ம CPUட பேக்ல பார்த்தோம்னா எத்தனை போர்ட்ஸ் எல்லாம் இருக்கு. With the help of ports only நம்ம external device computerல கனெக்ட் பண்ணலாம். The external device connected to the ports and interfaces. What is that? External devices connected to the ports and interfaces. Okay, the motherboard of computer has many I/O sockets that are connected to the ports and interfaces found on the rear side of computer. The external devices can be connected to the ports and interfaces. The various type portions given. Okay, next we should see. First you should write what are the ports and interfaces. Okay, serial port, which is used to connect the external device found in older computer. Even நம்ம கீபோர்டில் கனெக்ட் பண்ணுறதுக்கு இதை சீரியல் போர்ட் யூஸ் பண்ணலாம். ஸோ nowadays எல்லாம் வந்து யூஎஸ்பி பேட்டர்னில் தான் யூஸ் பண்ணுறோம். nowadays எல்லாமே வந்து யூஎஸ்பி பேட்டர்னில் தான் வந்துட்டுருக்கு, லைக் ப்ளூடூத். ஓகே, next one is parallel port. To connect the printers found in older computer, this port which is used to connect the printers here. இப்போ நமக்கு எல்லாமே டிஃப்ரெண்டாக இருக்கும். ஸோ parallel ports are used to here. Okay, here parallel ports are used to here. Okay, next USB ports to connect external device like camera, scanner, mobile phone, external hard disk and printers to the computer. Okay, write the serial port to connect the external devices found in old computer. Parallel port to connect the printers found in old computer. USB ports to connect external device like camera, scanner, mobile phone, external hard disk and printers to the computer. Okay, the next one is VGA connector to connect a measure and display the device like LCD projector. To connect monitor or any display devices like LCD projector. Monitor projector connect panuna, we can use this port. Okay, we can use this port to connect a monitor or any display device like LCD project. Next one is audio. To connect sound, we know all are VGA connector audio, we all are brilliant. Yes, to connect sound speakers, microphones and headphones. Okay, next one is PS by 2 port. To connect mouse and keyboard to PC. To connect mouse and keyboard to PC. And next one is SCSI port to connect the hard disk, drive and network connector. Okay, write this. High definition multimedia interfaces. High definition multimedia interfaces is an audio video interface which stands for the uncompressed video and audio data from a video controller to compatible computer, monitor, LCD projector, digital television, etc. Okay, we know all about these things. Okay, first we should go through all these chapter. This is chapter 3. The name is computer organization. The name is computer organization. First is introduction. Basic of microprocessor. Next, basic of microprocessor, arithmetic and logic unit, control unit, register, characteristics of microprocessor, clock speed, instruction set, word size. Next one is data communication between CPU and memory. Address buses. What are the address buses? Type of address buses, like that. Types of microprocessor: 8-bit microprocessor, 16-bit microprocessor, 32-bit microprocessor, 64-bit microprocessor. Then memory device. Random access memory. Types of RAM: read-only memory, programmable read-only memory, EEPROM, EEPROM, cache memory, secondary storage device, hard disk, compact disk, DVD, Blu-ray disc, ports and interface. Okay. So homework, you should try this homework. What is HDMI? What is HDMI? Next one is these three questions are your homework. You should try. Okay.